A delegation from the United Zone Fulbe, accompanied by a member of the Highly Plural Association in Spain, recently paid a courtesy call on the Ministry of Agriculture. They were received by Permanent Secretary Fatou Jammeh. The visit, according to United Zone Fulbe President Lamin Pili Diallo, was to inform the ministry and seek guidance and support for a vital agricultural project they plan to implement in Fonyi, Kansala. With support from the Highly Plural Association in Spain, Mr. Diallo highlighted that 2 hectares of land have already been secured in Fonyi, Kansala. This land is intended to be used to roll out a community garden, provide boreholes, farming tools, processing machines, and a storeroom, all with the aim of empowering the women of the area.
And these people, they have the capacity to develop many projects in this country. They are building
Spain
schools,
is doing a lot.
They build schools, they build hospitals, they create farms. Even right now in Guinea-Conakry, they have one of their biggest projects, around 800,000 euros. That one is going right now. So these people these people really need support, like the way you say, technically, because this is our first time. Even he need many things, like for creating, like to build a borehole. You know, people here, they build borehole, but they don't do it professional like the project way. Because in a project you have to make all the details, how you are going to drill the boreholes, the pressure of the water, the environment, everything need to be authentic.
Specification.
Yes, specification.
Specification.
So right now, even that issue, we have it. So even, since he came here now, we went there, we start the registration, we went to the market to ask the product, because this project is going, everything, all the beneficiary is going to be community. They are not looking any profit inside. Everything is going back to the community, but they need to see changes. If today you are 150, tomorrow when they come to check the product, they want to see you like 200 or 300 or 500. That's what they want to see. Absolutely. And this time, if this project, they approve it and it's go through, we have the chance to have many projects in these countries.
Abdullah Diallo, the project coordinator from Spain, further detailed the initiative. He explained that the project will be executed in 3 phases.
Haray ko projet jogiiɗo coɓɓi tati. Donc coɓɓuru aranur ndun ko Guinée, coɓɓuru ɗimmuru ndun ko Gambie, coɓɓuru tammuru ndun ko Espagne. Donc nde tawata noon woni ɗum ɗo, hare ko jonnidirgol haqqillaji e feereji fiino enen kadi jama men on aldira. Ɗiɗo ni projet on imo mari yani e coɓɓi coɓɓuru aranur ndun wano ballal ngal hare ko wallugol sonnaɓe, par ce que sa walli sonnajo hara walli leydi ndin fof. Sa walli gorko goto ko gorko goto gol walluɗa, kono sa walli sonnaɓe ɓe haray ko sonnaɓe ɓen fof. Donc projet on ko wallitegol sonnaɓe ɓen. Taskama darama tawama projet on hino wawi joɗade no ɓe holliri ɗo ni Fonyi Kansala. Haray fen ɗo ko honnu jokka ton en haray ko dartugol ƴeewa anda si tawi ɓayɗe gueli wano Gambie ga no men taskori noon, men taw wono maayo ngon hino towude seeɗa, sabu ko ndiyan ɗan towata kon hino ardude ndiyan lanɗan. Donc si ari hino walade remuruji ɗin tawata no wawi bonnande jama o. Donc waɗa leydi ndin hara ko remete kon ɗuɗata moƴƴude. Donc si min darti wano kamen suuɓi ton, wona ɓay projet on ɗo ko culture maraîchère on, yani golleji jardin ɗin wona e gollede fi muɗum gelki. Kono noon nde tawata meɗen faala yo culture maraîchère on développe ton on, hare ko ma yani mentor on ballal. Go hare ɗen hattojini e andugol leydi ndi none mayri on gelke. Ɗum ko goo ɗimmum ɗum kañum kadi tasko anda no anda ndiyan ɗan si asama ɗan heɓoto, mais ko quantité jelu ndiyan wawata heɓade. Fi tawata ɗan ndiyan si ɗan heɓi ɗan waway remude ɗon hara ɗan mankali, par ce que probléme remugol ngol ko gérgol ndiyan ɗan. Heɓmatan mum ɗum hare ko matériel ji gollitirteɗi ton ɗi no jeeya ɗin wono tiyoji wallinteɗi ton ɗi, ko honno hara ɗin ɗi gasata walorade hara ɗi duumoto, par ce que ko ɓuuri drip on faami ɗin ɗo, par ce que komin faala kon hare ko gutton min faala wadde ton. Fi hon waɗi sabanede ma ndiyan ɗan ko ɗo wata gérade no haniri noon hara ɗan bonnaka. Kono le plus souvent matériel ji wonaɗi e gollirede ɗi hitande o koya change, parce que qualité ko woni kon wona qualité moƴƴo ko no heɓirten qualité moƴƴo tawa wallitade.
Responding to the initiative, Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Agriculture, Fatou Jammeh, expressed deep appreciation, stressing that the government alone cannot do it all. She called the rolling out of a project to support women in the country a welcome move. Madam Jammeh renewed her office's commitment to supporting such endeavors. Agricultural officials are stationed in every region to share best practices, and the partnership can also help in providing duty waivers to import agricultural equipment for the project.
We are looking for those that are working to complement our efforts, because we have to work together. We are encouraging private individuals to come on board, because the government can only give the technical support, can create the conducive environment. But it is upon us as citizens who can do it, who can knock on doors to mobilize resources to complement government's effort to do so. And that is what I have seen you doing. So we don't have the choice but to support you in whatever way as it comes to us. If you request for technical support, the ministry can send to your garden a technician who will support those working on the garden to make sure the right practices are adhered to get the best, yes, to get the best out of the gardens you are operating on. Another privilege is that MOU can help if you want to import anything from outside to this country. We will be in a position to help you with duty waiver so that you won't pay much to import those agriculture related. Yes, let me be specific.
The United Zone Fulbe and their partners in Spain expressed optimism that with this necessary collaboration from the government and the community of Fonyi, the project will have a positive impact on the citizenry. The pilot project, which involves rolling out a 2-hectare garden in Fonyi Kansala, is the latest move by the United Zone Fulbe and its partners in their quest to demonstrate that their mission is not just to promote and preserve the Fulani culture, but also to contribute to positive development initiatives in the country. Khadijatu Jallow reporting.